friends, welcome to Peanut Flowers Creations. Today we're going to make a cube of flour. I have here, I went ahead with my work and I cut the Leucanthemum. You can use to make these cubes with roses, carnation, any kind of flowers you like. A small kind of flower, not too big. If the the foam is a small piece of foam. If it's bigger, it's natural. You can use bigger flowers. I cut my foam. I put it in water. I didn't make it soak too much, just a little, because the stem is short, so it absorbs the water it needs. One, because of that. Two, because I didn't put, I only put a half a leaf of aspidistra underneath, so it won't touch the table, and it keeps the table clean. It doesn't make the water uh, go on the table. Even if there's not too much water, it's not really soaked too much. And I went ahead, I was saying, and I cut my stem flowers here, and I cut them short. And I start from the edge of the foam, and I work myself first all around the edge. This comes out nice even as work for a table centerpiece for a birthday party or baby shower, where you can make like pink roses or pink carnations. It comes out nice as a centerpiece. And I worked my sides, each side, and I made it white and yellow. Put the white ones in the center, and then I work my side on this side. Okay, we went ahead a little bit, and I'm on my last side. If you like my creations and you want to see more, you can subscribe to my channel or leave me a like, thumbs up. We're almost there. Cut a little bit more. And we're there. I finished the cube. I'll show it to you how it looks when it's finished. Okay. Now we can do a little bit of decorations. We can put a ribbon, like this. I'll show you a couple of things you can do. You can even put those pearls in the middle of the Leucanthemum. Here and there, you can put white pearls or some Swarovski around it. It comes out really pretty. Or you can do a bow. In the middle. And looks like this. This is another one. Then you can put, for example, if you have a nice rose, a nice white rose. You can take the rose and you can lie it here in the middle between the ribbon like this. It comes out really nice. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, put a like or subscribe to my channel, Pina Flowers Creation. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.